comes my handsome hubby. He takes so long to get ready in the morning. I'm like, come on, let's go. And he's just taking his sweet time, strolling along like we don't have somewhere to be. Can't miss him in them shorts though. Look at them shorts. I won't lose him in the pool. Come on! He's so slow. Do you remember your cup today?
I've got the car key.
Oh my goodness, every morning he forgets something and has to go back.
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
Who are you? I'm your wife. Ow!
Wife out.
I'm your wife. Ow.
Wife out.
Wife. Ow!
Wife out.
Oh my goodness, I'm a little bit tired this morning. I was up till 1 this morning getting all the stuff off the memory cards because we've not done it in like 3 days.
I slept like a baby.
Yeah, he was spark out. I even went out of the room for a bit, came back, and he didn't even notice I'd gone. You know, I could have been abducted and murdered. He wouldn't have known. Thankfully I wasn't. But yeah, we are off. We're off to Volcano Bay this morning after we've gone and got some coffee and maybe something from the grab and go because I'm quite peckish this morning. Yeah, we're off to Volcano Bay, very excited, first time going there. And then hopefully we want to be done by there fairly quickly. We'll see, we might want to spend the whole day there, we don't know, we've never been. But with water parks, we're generally like, we like water parks, but we don't spend the whole day there. Excited? Yeah. Hi guys, we've made it to Volcano Bay. See, there's the volcano somewhere over there in the background. There it is. We did a thing. We got a cabana. We couldn't resist. Honestly, these cabanas are so amazing. Let me show you round. So we have a nice long bench seat there with some comfy pillows. We've got some chairs there. This is the best thing about the cabana. It's the tapu point. So we don't have to go walking around the park, we can just see what's available, what we want to do, see everything. It's really quiet at the moment, so most things are like 0 minutes. We've already done Krakatoa, we've done another one which name I can't pronounce, but yeah, so we can pick our rides from here. We don't have to go walking around the park. We can also order food as well from here. Really awesome. We have a locker over here, which, let me see if I can lock it because I couldn't lock it earlier. So yeah, put all our stuff in there, and then oh, the tappy tappers on the other wrist. Let's see if I can do this. Oh no, I can't lock it. Rich can lock it. We have some towels, and then in here we have loads of water, and it's going to be a hot day, so we need that. Our cabana was $236 something after tax. We just couldn't really resist, to be honest, because we're only going to be here once, so we thought we might as well do it. And we had some extra money on the credit card that we didn't use for the car in the end because we didn't need it, so we just thought we'd splash out and splurge a little bit, and I'm not regretting it. It's awesome. And we've just got our little box of welcome goodies. That cookie looks amazing. So yeah, we're going to tuck into this and then we're going to go ride some rides.
Shall I go do this here while we're here?
If it's a ride now, yeah.
Oh yeah, and oh no.
Is it ride now?
Yeah.
Okay, just go up then.
Okay.
You brave man. I wouldn't do that. want food. Food and booze. What do I want right now? No. No.
That went right up my nose! He's trying to kill me! Oh, right. I need alcohol. Yeah. There! Running away.
Can't take him anywhere.
I dislike him intently.
Our little tapu point is asleep because we're not doing anything with him. So cute. Let's wake him up. So let's select the ride. See what the ride times are like at the moment. See, they're not too bad. 0 minutes. Yeah, it's really quiet here today. Congo races are 0 minutes. See, even Krakatau's only at 15, which is like one of the busiest rides. I am loving this place. One of the best things about the Cabanas is you get kind of like table service. So we don't have to go anywhere to get our food and drink. It all gets brought to us, and I've got this awesome cocktail. I can't remember what it's called. There, look. It's called a strawberry ginger lift. And it comes in a little souvenir glass, which I get to keep. And it is very, very nice. Richard is just making the most of the free water because he's driving. So I'm loving it. I think we're going to have some food now. We're just waiting for our grub to arrive. And then we are going to hit some of the rides. Yeah, we're just going to see where we end up. Having a good day, aren't we? Yeah, it's very chilled. Going with the flow. I'm loving it. Cheers here. We've got longboard pizzas. I got a cheese one. Richard's got a Hawaiian one. Oh yes, this is awesome. Volcano Bay. Oh, what an awesome day. Let's take one last look at this beautiful volcano. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, sun is setting. If you look this way, it's a bit of a storm cloud coming over, but we won't. We'll look this way because this way's pretty. We literally have been here the entire day, from opening to close, which just shows, because we wouldn't normally, oh my god, I'm so red, we wouldn't normally do that at a water park, would we? We normally, like just for a morning or just for an afternoon, but we have been here the entire day. Just shows how good it is.
Done everything multiple times.
Yeah, we've done everything so many times. We've got some pictures which hopefully I'll be able to insert. I am definitely going to have to go home and slap some after sun on. Lobster Vicky has made a return to Florida. Dear oh dear.
Your face has got a nice
I know. Bad times. But yeah, Volcano Bay. Awesome. Where are you? There he is. It's been an amazing day. Like, if I could only pick one water park to come to in Orlando, it would be this one, without a doubt. Oh, you absolute git. Please get that out. Oh.
Refreshing.
No! God, look at that sky. Woo. We're in for something tonight. Thankfully, we'll be indoors, hopefully. And the cabanas are so worth it. I would definitely get a cabana again, wouldn't you?
Yes.
Yeah, if we were to come again, cabana all the way. So worth the money. Our server was amazing. She was so nice. It's just so much easier having like that base that you can just come back to, and we've got so much water coming back with us. So yeah, worth it. I don't know what else to say. It was just amazing. Favourite ride, I think, was probably Krakatoa. We did that quite a lot. Although I can't remember what they're all called. They've all got funny names.
Oh yeah, you know, no.
Yeah, you liked oh yeah, no, I didn't go on them. I'm not that daft. Really good day. Highly recommended.